welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna be making scones. We're gonna be making them the way that I like them. I got this recipe from my aunt and maybe just changed a few things here and there, but I got the basics from my aunt. So guys, enjoy and follow along, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. There's a recipe that's already on my Facebook page that I already have it there. Go check it out. You can follow it with the video as well, and then just follow along and make it yourself. It tastes really good. So guys, let's just get into it. In a large clean bowl, pour in 500 grams of self-raising flour, add in half a cup of caster sugar, then put in 250 grams of butter cubed, and then crumb this. Set that aside, and then we're gonna start on our wet ingredients. In a smaller bowl, pour in 1 cup of milk and then add in eggs, add a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and then mix everything. Sieve the wet mixture through into the large bowl and then mix everything. So I added about 3 tablespoons of milk. In a greased pan, using a tablespoon, add in your dough. Put it into the oven at 180. Cook the bottom first, then cook the top, both at 180. That's it guys, I hope you like the recipe. It tastes amazing. You can play around with the sugar, don't reduce it too much, but you can lower the sugar. You can do anything you want with it. It's all according to taste, but that's the recipe that I like the most. And then let them air dry for a little bit, then put them in a container and you can use them for about, I think, a whole week. You can actually use them and they'll still be fresh enough. I hope you like that, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media links. That's it from me guys, until next time.